Hello, um, this is me. Doing a little live discussion here of the severe weather events that possibly might happen in our area in Corpus Christi. These are some fire rain thunderstorms that have fired up just to the east of Monterey, moving northeast towards um, near the McAllen area and Ramiel St. Salines, I believe how I say that too. Area. Moving northeast. Last I heard, I believe these storms do have hail in them. We're going to be watching these systems for the next few hours as they go over towards the northeast. They could potentially affect our area, possibly later tonight, early tomorrow morning, depending on how strong they'll be. But right now, we have well, in my area at least, we have a 60% chance of rain for, what is it again? For, I think, Wednesday. In fact, I could actually go over on it and search that up for you guys. Um, this is how it is in San Antonio. You can see their radars. Just hold on, give me a minute here. I'm gonna go over and search up what Corpus Christi could be expecting here in my area. Well, it's loading there, so I'm just gonna keep going here. Well, currently we're getting some light rain according to this radar. We're getting some light to moderate rain and spots, mostly around eastern Corpus. Some parts of western Corpus near Agua Dulce are getting some light rain too, but mainly around the Flower Bluff and some regions west of it to the north of Tempman Ranch and near Clarkwood are getting some storms here. And then again, here's the main storm pretty much here that I'm watching. Again, last I heard, I believe it has 1 inch sized hail, but that was about from an hour ago, so I'm not certain if it has any higher hail readings in there. Hold on a second here. Let's go on to the Corpus National Weather Service. You can see they forecast thunderstorms for Wednesday and Thursday respectively. Let's go over towards Corpus Christi and see what the forecast for them has it for my area. Last I checked, it had a 60% chance. It went from a 70 to a 60 now. But we'll see what happens when if they factor in this potential thing right here. At the airport, 71 with light rain. We're expected to get a 40% chance of rain. Thunderstorms tonight. On to Wednesday, a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Wednesday night, a 60% chance of storms. Thursday, 40. Thursday night, 20. Friday, 20. Friday night, supposed to be mostly cloudy. Saturday, 20. And Saturday night, 20. I'm going to go ahead and search up my exact area here, so I could get the most accurate reading here. You could just go on to here. You type up your zip code, whatever zip code it is. You type it on there, and it'll give you recommendations as to what you're looking for and what your area name is, and it'll give you the most accurate forecast in their opinion of storms. Now over here, we're expected to get a 40% chance of rain, mostly cloudy on Wednesday. I'm sorry. Wednesday night, 60% chance. Thursday, 40. Thursday night, 20. Friday, 20. Friday night, mostly cloudy. And then Sunday, getting some increased moisture here. As far as I know, I don't think we're under any really severe warning here. Let me go over towards the SPC here, the Storms Prediction Center, and see what they think. I don't think we're under a marginal... Oh, spelled that wrong. I don't think we're under a marginal risk. I think we're just in an area where we could get storms that pop up. They just issued a thunderstorm outlook for Texas here. It looks like a 10% chance of rain from now to 1 UTC. You can see there. This is the Storms Prediction Center in Oklahoma. And then they just issued their recent storm convective outlook. You can see most of the marginal areas to put on cities and towns and counties. You can see Corpus Christi right there, in the area of where we could get storms, but not really any severe. Although there are some cases where every now and then one storm may pop out to be severe for maybe at most 30 minutes and then go back and weaken again. That's happened a few times on occasion over here before, but mainly most of the actions should be to our north, towards Waco, Austin, that area, Dallas, to the east of Dallas. To look at day 2, they have a marginal risk for Louisiana there, northwestern Louisiana, and then Corpus again has a chance of those storms, but not really any severe storms. And then again, Corpus again under that thing there, and farther on out, there's not really that big of a certainty on stuff there. But again, just need to watch out for these storms near Monterrey, Mexico. As you can see here, let me zoom on in a little bit. And you can see, these things look like they do have hail on them. The purple right here means pretty much hail. So these storms do have hail on them. If we're in Mexico in these areas, and my computer is wanting to glitch out on me, so I'm going to zoom back out again. But yeah. Looks like they're heading towards the McAllen area of Texas. So if we're in McAllen, especially looks like maybe western McAllen, might be seeing some storms here in maybe in a few hours, depending on how fast this is moving. And let's go over towards, let's see here. I'm just going through my sources here. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to see if I could respond to them. But right now, you can see all the moisture. Let's go to localized sectors here, so we can get a better view. And this is Corpus down here, and you can see the cloud cover from those storms. Let me get a closer look here. These are the storms in Mexico here. This is just to the northeast of Monterrey, Mexico. You can see the convection blowing up there from these storms. Might actually people over here near where is it again? Near McAllen may be able to see some lightning possibly associated with the storm free in a wide area, and able to see it. This is probably the last visible shot of the current storms going on right now. You can see there. And here's another radar shot. I'm gonna go out. You know what? I'm gonna go and head outside and show you guys the rain. I believe we're getting some light rain right now over here, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. Oh yeah, I just heard some thunder over there. Did you hear that? I believe that's from the storms near McAllen, to the south of McAllen and Monterey. Did you hear that? That was cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get my camera actually while I'm here, so I'm gonna go over and get it real quick, so bear with me a few more minutes. Because that's far and I'm getting some lightning, thunder from that. Let's see here, again, looks like that. It's a really, really monster system there. I'm gonna get my camera here just in case I see any lightning. I'll try to go and film it. But yeah, we could already hear the thunder from that system all the way over there, because it's obviously rapidly intensifying pretty much. I believe I saw a question on here. I'm not certain. Sorry if I missed it. I don't see it on here anymore. So I apologize if you had a question and I didn't get to respond to it. But I believe I saw a comment on there for a second and it disappeared off my screen. Ah, there it is. Well, right now, especially over here in Texas and mostly to my north, there's been some drought to my north that's been increasing. But now with this rain event, I believe that that should lower down a few notches, and hopefully bring some beneficial rain, but not bring any tornadoes or anything of that sort. because that wouldn't be needed. Just some rain to help with the drought. Um, but yeah. But again, if you're near McAllen, you're probably getting a great lightning show right now, possibly. Or at least thunder, because I heard thunder just over there. Unless that was just a freak thunder that I heard there. Then that might guys might be seeing some radical stuff over there in McAllen. But right now, this is what it looks like. It doesn't really look like it's raining at all. If anything, maybe sprinkling at most here. Just on and off showers, pretty much, is what we're getting right now. And again, I just heard some thunder over there, and the storms are pretty much all the way to my south here. So if that was from the storm, it must have been a really far strike then. It was most likely from one of the storms that are kind of near the area over here, the clusters of storms here, I'm assuming. Because I don't believe that it was from that system, but who knows. But again, this is just a quick video of what the conditions are. Please be prepared just in case, especially in the northern areas, to lose power just in case if these storms get really severe. We might lose, yeah, you guys might lose power, depending. Usually there isn't really that high of a risk for tornadoes in marginal risk environments, but every now and then one can happen, one or two can happen. Mainly it's just more of a rain and a hail threat is pretty much the only thing that that goes on. Heavy rain, flooding, all that stuff is pretty much the only worry in marginal things. But anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm probably gonna go live again later on tonight when the storms near McAllen get closer to my area and see if I could get some lightning off of that. We'll see. But till then, have a great day or night wherever you are, guys, and see you later. So till then, peace.